Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money by typing and uploading files, anywhere from $100 to $300 per day. And if you stick with me to the rest of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how even if you have no skill set in typing or writing, how you can still benefit and make money. All right, now if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so the first website that we're going to be talking about here today is called Transitions Abroad. Okay, so basically what you're going to be doing with this website is you're basically going to become a contributor. Okay, now when I say contributor, I'm talking about you're going to be writing articles for this particular site. Now notice the whole theme for this site is abroad. Okay, so most of the topics are going to be work abroad, volunteer abroad, intern abroad, teach abroad, study abroad, right? That's the theme. So if you're going to be writing an article, and I'm going to show you how much they pay you for literally submitting an article and getting it approved. It's probably going to throw you guys off, but let's go ahead and continue. All right, so here we go. The Guide to Travel, Work, Study, and Living Abroad. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and we're going to click on Become a Contributor. All right, so we're going to click Write for Us, and I'm going to show you guys, you're going to see how much money you can literally make a day if you get multiple articles approved. All right, so let's go straight to where it says payment to writers. All right, so here we go, guys. Pay close attention. Payment for freelance articles is upon acceptance, meaning if you get approved, they're going to pay you your money. If it doesn't get approved, which can possibly happen, guys, every article that you write is not going to get approved to be put onto their site, right? Sometimes you got to try multiple times. So definitely give it a shot. If your article doesn't get approved, go ahead and submit another article, guys. This is something that's going to make you money if you can get to a point where, okay, your articles start to get approved more often. All right, so check it out. Ranging from $75 to $150. Okay, and then the average payment is $100 per article that gets approved. So that's acceptance. All right, so you can make quite a bit of money, right? $100 per article. So think about it. With any of the sites that I'm going to be talking about here today, it's all going to be about, if it doesn't get approved the first time, keep trying. Keep trying, guys. If something doesn't work the first time, find a better way to do it. And that's what all of these sites that I'm going to be talking about here today, they all pretty much revolve around that. All right. All right. So this is the first site. It's called Transitions Abroad. All right. So let's go ahead and go to the second website, which is called Vibrant Life. So Vibrant Life is all about health. See, the first one was about abroad. That was their theme. This theme is all about health. So as you can see, exercise, recipes, going green, mental health, physical health, spiritual health, right? So it's all about health. So what you want to do to actually benefit and actually get some articles on here so they can get accepted, and so you can actually get paid, is you're going to click right here where it says Writer's Guidelines. And then basically what this is going to do is it's going to show you what is required of you to actually get paid to write articles on here. All right, so as you can see, they pretty much give you the guidelines and so on and so on, but let's go down here to where it says payment. Okay, payment is made upon the acceptance. There goes that acceptance word again, meaning if you get approved, then you're going to get paid. All right, so let's go to how much they make. Okay, so payments for articles ranges from $100 to $300 per article, guys. Now, can you see how this can literally be something that could be significant if you get articles approved very often. Now, especially if you know a lot about the health niche, and don't worry, even if you don't know anything about these niches, what you can literally do I'm going to show you at the end of this video. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. All right, so the first one was 175 to 150, on average 100. This one is $100 to $300 per article. Now let's go over to the next website, which is called Cracked. Okay, so what is Cracked all about? All right, so let me kind of give you an idea. All right, so hopefully you can see this. So it says 5 screwed up secrets the ultra rich don't want you to know. $5 billion industries that treat workers like garbage. 5 cartoon moments that would traumatize the characters. So as you can see, this is like curiosity based. So you can kind of just get an idea, okay, that's what they're looking for. So what I could do is you can then go to an expert, right? You can go to an expert that already has the skill set, because I know I'm kind of moving ahead of myself, but that's essentially what you're going to do if you don't have the skill set. Now, if you're someone who's very skilled at writing, right, you can write funny, creative, different types of articles, then this is going to benefit you right off the bat, right? You don't need to go to an expert to be able to write these articles. But if you just want to make money from from writing articles and you don't have the skill set, you can literally go to the website that I'm going to share with you here in a bit. All right, so let's go to the last website, which is called listverse.com. Okay, so this pretty much has the same kind of feel to it, with the whole like the list and the curiosity based articles. All right, so here we go right here. 10 weird tongue tricks. 10 animal facts of the ancient world. Notice that all of these are starting with 10. All right, so 10 shocking man-made disasters. Top 10 crimes that went viral after a podcast. 10 unbelievable things doctors could prescribe in place of drugs. Okay, so all of these articles are looking to get you to click through to them, and this website gets a ton of traffic every single day. All right, so just think about it. When you get an article approved, and I'm about to show you what you can actually make from this, and this is going to definitely benefit you. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll down. And right here it says write and get paid. So we're going to click on write and get paid. All right, so as you can see, write and get paid. Get paid $100 per article. And let me read it for you so you can see that this is actual real stuff, and they will pay you $100 for it. All right, so here it is. So here is the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert. There it is, guys. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. That is all you need to make this happen. All right, now let's actually talk about a website that you can literally leverage the expert, right? Instead of, if you don't have a skill set, you can leverage someone else who already has it. All right, so we're going to talk about Fiverr.com. So you might have heard of it, and if you haven't, Fiverr is basically a website where there's a ton of different freelancers who do multiple tasks. So as you can see here, graphics and design, digital marketing tasks, writing and translation. So since we're actually talking about writing, what we can do is we can go to creative writing, we can go to articles and blog posts, we can go to technical writing. It's all going to depend upon the niche. All right, so since we're talking about, what I'll do is I'll just type article writing. All right, we'll just keep it real simple. All right, so here we go. You can see $25 is what that's starting at. But guys, you don't have to pay the high prices. There are people that will write articles for $5. Some people will do it for $10. Some people do it for $15. You can look for where you can pretty much like what's in your budget. Then you can get an expert to write the article for you. Okay, that way you don't have to be the expert. If we were to go back over to Listverse, that's exactly what it says. But if you are an expert and you are skilled at writing, this is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so hopefully this helps you. Hopefully you got something from this video that you can now go out and earn some income from, whether you have the skill set or you don't. And if you don't, you got Fiverr.com where you can pay. Okay, now with that being said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you did, go ahead and drop me a comment also letting me know, giving me some feedback, and letting me know also if you're actually going to implement what I just shared with you here in this video. Now, if you want to learn what I'm doing right now online to earn consistent income, the first link in the description is all you have to click on. It's going to take you, give you all the information that you need about the opportunity that I'm involved in. All right, now my phone number is down below, my Facebook is down below, and like I said, if you got some value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.